Hi, in this video I will show you how you can flip or mirror text in Canva. Mirroring text in Canva is a bit tricky because there is no direct feature that allows you to do that kind of thing, which is quite embarrassing because you can mirror or flip image or even video like this one. You can flip horizontally or vertically, which is quite useful in some cases. But mirroring text is pretty much impossible. So if you select any piece of text or text box in Canva, you'll see that there is no menu, there is no option to flip the content. You can rotate it by using this menu or this button, but that's pretty much it, and it's not quite flipping or mirroring an image in the general sense. So how do you mirror this text? Well, the only way to do that is by getting this text as an image. So I'm going to just duplicate this page and I'm going to remove the background, and then I'm going to click share and then download, and I'm going to select the file type to be PNG. And also I highly recommend to enable transparent background, and that will allow us to get just this text and nothing else. And then select only the second page. And after that you can click download, and after that you can just upload the image to your Canva account. Now I have downloaded the image, so I don't want you to just wait for the render and downloading process. So I'm going to just remove this text and I'm going to just upload the image. Actually, you can just copy and then paste the image that you have downloaded from your computer, and Canva will recognize that, and now we have this text that now actually becoming an image. You'll see that this is the same text as that one, but this is now an image. So when you click on the image, you'll see there is an option to flip either vertically or horizontally. So that's essentially one way to flip or mirror text in Canva. Not the best, but I hope in the future Canva will eventually add a native flipping or mirroring feature for text in the platform. Either way, I hope you find this video helpful.